friends, I am back and I am going to show you how I make my chicken noodle casserole, and it is delicious. Anyway, so I got my pan of water. You can barely see it. It's on here. It's getting hot. I'm going to poach my chicken breast. You're going to need two chicken breast halves, I should say. And I'm going to poach that in the water for about 12 minutes or so, just so it's no longer pink on the inside. Anyway, I'm going to use a 12-ounce package of, these are like dumpling egg noodles. These are my favorite. I use these all the time. Anyway, and then a lot of people use cream of mushroom soup. You can use any cream soup you want. I use cream of chicken because my husband hates cream of mushroom. And I also use cream of celery. So I use one of each. We're going to use sour cream. We are going to need a whole stick of butter and breadcrumbs or crackers. Now, I'm going to use my homemade breadcrumbs. So, with that, we'll get started. And my hands are all clean. I just washed them before I turned the video on. Set that aside. I am just going to put these right in my pan. I will show you. Right there, right in my pan. And those are going to poach. It's a whole piece, see? But it's two halves, actually. Those are going to poach for about 12 to 15 minutes. And then when that's done, I'll be back and I'll show you how we put it together. I'm sorry, friends. I guess I assumed everybody knows how to boil noodles. But yes, we have to pre-boil our noodles for this casserole. So that is what this pan is for. I'm going to put the lid on it and cook the noodles, cook the chicken, and then we'll be back. Okay, so while the chicken is cooking and the noodles are getting ready to boil, I guess I can put this together and show you how I do it. It's very simple. This makes a real nice, quick and easy dinner. You take one entire can of your cream soup. I'm using cream of chicken. You take another entire can of cream of celery. You don't have to use cream of celery again. You can only use your own cream soup. But I use the chicken and the cream of celery. It is really good with cream of chicken and cream of mushroom combined as well. But right now that's what I use because my husband, again, he won't eat cream of mushroom. He won't eat mushrooms whatsoever. So we're going to use a cup. We got one can of each. I showed you that. We are going to use a cup of sour cream. And just like so. There we go. Put that aside. And we are just going to mix this all up. We're going to put some salt and pepper. And that is all I season this with. I'm just going to put pepper. In fact, I'm not even going to put any salt because the cream soups are quite salty anyway. So I'm going to leave the salt out. But get this all mixed up. So it's mixing pretty well. Okay, so now that that's set, as soon as our chicken gets done and cools enough so I can cut it up in cubes, and the noodles are done, I'll show you how we put it together and get it in the oven. Also, at this point in time, you're going to preset your oven to 350. So, when that's done, I'll be back. Tip, friends, when you butter your casserole dish, which you're going to want to do, you're going to want to melt a stick of butter anyway for your breadcrumbs. So just take the paper and butter your dish. There'll be enough left on the paper that will butter your dish really nice. So, there you are. We'll be right back. Friends, I am back. And I'll show you how we get this all put together. So, first, I want to I got a big bowl to mix this in. You could mix it in your casserole dish if you want, but I got to make sure it's all mixed up real good, so I always do it in a bowl. Okay. That's all right. I do dishes. Okay, so I got that. And also, which I didn't tell you, I'm going to put a half a cup of peas in here. Now, normally, if my husband is gone or whatever and I'm making it for my grandbabies, I'll do peas and carrots because they love carrots. But my husband hates carrots, cooked carrots anyway. So I just do a half a cup of peas. Okay, now here we got my chicken is all chopped up on my tray. We're going to put that in there. Not missing any. There we go. And we're also going to put the noodles in here. I should have got a bigger bowl. I may need a bigger casserole dish. Okay, so anyway, with that, we're going to get this all mixed up. Just start mixing it. And then I melted a stick of butter to go with my cup of breadcrumbs for the top of this beautiful casserole. Just keep mixing. You want it all mixed real good. Everything coated. Look at that. How nice. This is going to be delicious. I'm sorry about that, friends. My camera had died. Okay, we'll finish mixing this all up. And I'm hoping it'll all fit in this nice casserole dish. And we will find out. Pour it right in there. Make sure your casserole dish was greased real nice. That's going to fit. Be a little bulky, but we'll get her in there. Okay. I'm forgetting that. Okay, now we're just going to push it all down. Yep, see, it fits. Barely, but it fits. Okay, so we got that all pushed down in there. Real nice. Now we're going to set that aside. And in this bowl here, I have got some nice breadcrumbs. 1 cup of my homemade breadcrumbs. Move the camera a little bit. And then I've got 1 stick of butter that I melted and cooled. And we're going to put that in there and mix that all together because that is going to go on top of our casserole. Now you can use crackers. Buttered crackers are the best, but I just like this. I like my breadcrumbs. Okay? And now we're just going to smear them onto here because we want it nice and crumbly on the top. And it'll make it a nice golden brown and beautiful. Okay. We're just going to spread these all around, just like so. All over the top of this casserole. And it makes enough. Makes for a wonderful topping. Okay, so we got that done. Knock my spoon off. I'm going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. And when it's done, I'll be back and show you. Okay, friends, we are back and the chicken casserole is done. This is a classic chicken noodle casserole. And it's crispy on top, beautiful golden brown. And it's still bubbling. Oh, I'm going to make a mess, but I'm going to scoop some out. Look at the chunks of chicken in that. Beautiful. Put that on my plate. This is going to be simply delicious. Look at there. So, anyway, it's that simple. What a wonderful way to make a quick meal when you're busy. And I have been busy for 2 weeks now, non-stop. So there you have it, friends. Give it a try. It's real easy to make. It's delicious. And I'm going to go enjoy some lunch. Thanks for watching.